Yes, it works. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the opening sessions. You can sit over here and you can also grab some snacks and beers. Don't be afraid or shy. No worries. Thank you for being here. Before starting with a proper session, we have here just a brief presentation for you to get to know a little bit better what is the deep learning sessions and what are some of our initiatives. So let's start. Okay, this also works. Basically, we are a group of volunteers that got together in 2019 with the main goal of sharing content and organizing events for the deep learning community in Portugal. Last year, we have organized 11 events, some of them actually pretty similar to the one we are going to have here today. And we have almost, I'm really proud of this, we have almost 2,000 subscribers on Meetup, which is our main platform to announce and share events like this. Our main mission is to share knowledge, of course, and to promote collaboration between students and professionals that are somehow interested in deep learning, and of course, improve AI literacy in Portugal. This is our team, so take a moment to appreciate our beautiful faces. Currently, we are 9, some of us doing PhDs, others working directly in the industry. But basically, all of us work in AI, but with very, very different applications. So yeah, we are a very diverse team. Now, moving on to our initiatives, basically we can divide them into 4 groups. The first one being the social events, which is this one, for example. But we also have some other smaller meetups where we invite speakers to talk about a very specific topic. The next group is do it yourself, which is some projects that we, together with sponsors or partners, organize some challenges for you to participate. This one, pet projects, was actually announced this week, so I encourage you to check our social media and see if you want to participate in this one. The next one, we write, you read, which is basically what it says. But on the newsletter, I'm going to speak a little bit better in the next slide. And lastly, those classical tools and resources that everybody needs to have. But here we have some big announcements, so wait a few minutes and I'll talk about it. Moving on to the newsletter. You have over there the QR code, so check it out while I speak. This is a monthly newsletter. So basically, at the beginning of each month, we share the news regarding the previous month, and we try to cover as much information as possible. We have 8 sections. For example, we have a dedicated section for research, another one for the industry, and we also try to share some opportunities happening in Portugal. 2 seconds for you to check the QR code. Okay. And now to the big announcement. We have a website. Yay. Yeah, guys, we got to this point where we have lots of different links to social media, GitHub, Meetup, whatever. But now we have our beautiful space and we have everything centralized. So it's easier for you to check our tools and everything, basically. And we also have a dedicated space to share our initiatives. So you can go there and see, check our updates, basically. And we have a space where we also have some information about our team members. So who knows, maybe you need something very, very specific. You can go there and check if it's useful to reach out to some of us. And yeah, 1 to 2 seconds for you to check the QR code. I see you back there. Thank you. Okay, and final update and a big announcement. We have a Discord, and this one we are really happy because this is a big step to reach out to more people and have a community, basically. Again, the QR code is here. But I forgot to mention this, even for the website and also for the Discord, we are going to officially announce everything in our social media, maybe next week. I don't know. It's going to happen. So stay tuned for that, and save all the links, of course. But yeah, basically we have channels for everything and anything. So feel free to share with your friends and colleagues. And we really hope you like it. And that's all.